Hi, welcome to Glide FX. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use your Umingle app. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search for the app. I've looked for it from this section and I can't find it on my Play Store. If you have the same problem in your location, all you have to do is to go to the browser of your choice. So then all you have to do here is to type in Umingle. Click on the first website here. I already installed it on my phone, that is why it's showing this way. Now you select if you want it to be text or video, and you also know that you have to be up to 18 years in order to have a proper access to this app. Now you have to see what you want to talk about in the app, and you have to be ready to meet someone new. Umingle makes it easy to chat with strangers in random video or text chat. It is simple and fast, and time to start Umingle is now if you want to make use of it. So I've already installed mine. If you haven't, you can just install yours on your device. So I've installed mine. Let's look for my Umingle. As you can see, I already have mine, but if you want to install yours, this is what you have to do. Let me uninstall it first. Let's go to my browser again. If you want to install the app, so what you have to do here is to click on the Umingle browser here, this first link here. So right here, what you have to do here is this: click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now you just scroll and click on add to home screen. So it will bring option for you to install. You just have to click on it to install it, and when you install it, it will be on your device.